Today I want to introduce our flip chart. It's a simple way tool that helps us explain ideas and information in a clear and easy way. We can use it to draw, write, and organize thoughts, making it great for group discussions or brainstorming. This flip chart, it helps everyone understand what being shared and keeps us on track. By the end of the session, you'll see how it makes learning and sharing ideas much easier.
Good day, ma'am. Good day, children. Today, I'm going to discuss the planets and the other planets. Are you guys excited? Okay, you must listen to me. But before that, let me read this first slide. An orbit is the path a planet takes as it moves around the sun, our star. Mercury is the first planet from the sun and the smallest in the solar system. In English, it's named after the ancient Roman god Mercurius. It means Mercury, god of commerce and communication, and the messenger of the gods, Venus. Venus is the second planet from the sun. It is a terrestrial planet that is the closest in the mass and size to its orbital neighbor Earth. Venus has by far the densest atmosphere of the terrestrial planet, composed mostly of carbon dioxide with a thick global sulfuric acid cloud cover. Our planet, Earth, is the third planet from the Sun and the only astronomical object known to harbor life. This is involved by This is annulled by Earth being an ocean world, the only one in the solar system sustaining liquid surface water. Almost of all Earth water is contained in its global ocean. Next is Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. The surface of Mars is orange-red because it is covered in iron oxide, thus giving it the nickname the Red Planet. Mars is the among brightest object in Earth's sky, and its high contrast albedo features have made it a common subject for telescope viewing. Next is Jupiter. It is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest in the solar system. It is a gas giant with a mass more than 2.5 times that of all the other planets in the solar system. Solar system combined and slightly less than 1,000 the mass of the Sun. Its diameter is 11 times that of Earth and a tenth that of the Sun. Next is Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in the solar system. After Jupiter, it is a gas giant with an average radius of about 9 times of an Earth. It has an 8 the average density of Earth, but it is over 95 times more than massive. Enough though Saturn is almost as big as Jupiter, Saturn has less than a third its mass. Next is Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. It is a gaseous, cyan-colored ice giant. Most of the planet is made of water, ammonia, and methane. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. It is a gaseous, cyan-colored ice giant. Most of the planet is made of water, ammonia, and methane. It's a soporific phase of matter which astronomy calls ice or volatiles. The planet atmosphere has a complex layered cloud structure and has a lowest minimum of temperature. Next is the Neptune. Neptune is the eighth and farthest known planet from the Sun. It is the fourth largest planet in the solar system by diameter, the third most massive planet, and the densest giant planet. It is 17 times the mass of Earth compared to its fellow ice giant Uranus. Neptune is slightly more massive but denser and smaller, being composed primarily of gases and liquid. It has no well-defined solid surface and orbits the Sun once every 164.8 years at an orbital distance of 30.1 astronomical units. Is Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. It is a gaseous, cyan-colored ice giant. Most of the planet is made of water. Neptune is slightly more massive but denser and smaller, being composed primarily of gases and liquid. It has no well-defined solid surface and orbits the Sun once every 164.8 years at an orbital distance of 30.1 astronomical units.